Have you ever wondered how to do something so mundane that it actually becomes difficult? You have come to the right place. This is How To with Michael. Hello, and welcome to the first episode of How To with Michael. Today, we're going to be learning how to sculpt with clay. Now, the first thing to do is to get clay. And now, I think that may be obvious because we're sculpting with clay. So, I have my clay right here. It's a very big cube. It weighs 30 pounds, obviously, with a bit shaved off since I've already made a couple of things. But I got it at Hobby Lobby for 30 bucks. So, it's pretty affordable. Now, the second thing I like to do is find inspiration. Today, I will be making a bowling ball. So what I like to do is get my phone, look it up on Google maybe. But I already know what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make a bowling ball, and I know what designs I want on it. So I'm not gonna get my phone out, but you would want to if you're making something like Sonic or Mario or anything. But inspiration is a really big thing. So, I encourage you to go on Google and find something. Now, step 3 is to start sculpting. So I'm just gonna take a ball of clay out from my clay block and put it over here. And since I'm making a bowling ball, I want to morph it into a ball. So I'm gonna start spinning it, make it as much into a ball as I can. And if I can't get the right shape, then who cares? Because nobody's gonna watch it. And the second thing to do is to get my tools. Now, I have tools. They are my sculpting toys, if you will. But for today, I'm going to be using this tool, because it has a round point at the end right here. And I'm just gonna poke a couple of holes into the bowling ball, make it a bit bigger. Make it look like a face, because why not? And boom, there's the holes in the bowling ball. Now for this step, I'm gonna be making the design on the bowling ball. So I'm gonna take a different tool, because this tool has done most of it can for me. I'm gonna get this one, which is round and pointy. And I'm gonna make the Storm bowling logo. So if you look that up on Google, you'll see what it is, and I will also show it up close. It's gonna be the simplified version, and there's another one with its name. And I'm a bowler. If you didn't know, WCHS has a bowling team. It's the best sport at the school, only team state championship. We get no recognition though. So what I want to do is I would request for you to go out and bowl. You don't have to join the team, but just bowl. And now I'm gonna be making a design here with the pointy edge. And, well, looks good. Last step is to cry. And I'm not joking, because this will put you at a state of mental distress of how hard it is. Getting this simple thing will only take you 5 minutes. But I have made this thing, I have no idea what it is. It makes me cry because I made it and I have no idea what it is. But one thing when you're crying during clay, make sure you don't get it on the clay. It can mess it up, and you don't want this beauty to get messed up, obviously. So you can cry, but make sure you go to a bathroom first. Now, if you follow those instructions clearly and you made a bowling ball, good for you. Because somehow I made a mug, and I don't know how. Thank you for watching How To with Michael, episode 1, How to Sculpt with Clay. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And make sure to ring those notifications bell, because next week will be the second episode of How To with Michael. See you then.